Finally, the DJI Neo2 is officially launched in October 30th, 2025 in China. This compact FPV drone is designed for vloggers and content creators who love capturing hands-free aerial footage. While the initial launch targets the Asian market, Europe will see its official debut on November 13th, 2025, with pre-orders and shipping starting mid-month. Jasper Ellen posted a promo video on X, and he said DJI just launched the Neo2 in China, and people in Asia are able to find it in their stores right now. If you switch the DJI website to Hong Kong, you are able to see this promo video and specs for your convenience. However, the United States faces delays due to ongoing FCC restrictions and the looming DJI ban. Although existing DJI drones remain unaffected, new releases like the Neo2 are caught in uncertainty. The FCC embargo lifts in January 2026, offering a slim chance for a US release if DJI manages to bypass the ban. Another image shows a close-up of a compact DJI Neo2 drone resting on green grass. On its side, a small rectangular power button with a red indicator light is clearly visible, flanked by two additional smaller rectangular buttons. Below the buttons are ventilation grills for cooling. The drone's propeller guards encase the blades, giving it a sturdy and safe design, ideal for beginner or indoor flight environments. The DJI Neo2 features a 1/1.3-inch sensor, offering sharper detail, improved dynamic range, and 4K 60 frames per second 10-bit HDR video with D-Log-M support for cinematic flexibility. Its redesigned 1,600 mAh top-mounted battery delivers up to 19 minutes of flight, supported by a two-way USB-C hub with 18-watt fast charging and power bank functionality. Tech insider Jasper Ellen revealed that the DJI Neo2 launch in China was just 30 minutes away, sharing the first unboxing video ahead of its release. Meanwhile, Igor Bogdanov commented on X that the Neo2's built-in display is impressively clear and easy to read, even though the shared photo quality wasn't great, hinting at solid visibility and practical design upgrades. The DJI Neo2 will be available in 3 bundles to suit different needs. The Fly Solo bundle, priced at $259, includes the drone, 1 battery, propellers, a gimbal protector, screwdriver, and cables. Perfect for beginners. The Fly More combo, at $429, adds the RCN3 controller, 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and extra accessories. For the ultimate FPV experience, the Motion Fly More combo, priced at $599, includes the advanced DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller, delivering a fully immersive flight experience for those seeking cinematic freedom. Thank you for joining us in exploring the remarkable capabilities of the DJI Neo2. With its compact design, sub-250-gram takeoff weight, and enhanced sensor suite, it stands out as an ideal aerial companion for creative content creators and tech enthusiasts alike. The upgraded battery enables extended flight sessions of up to 20 to 25 minutes, giving you more time in the air to capture those perfect shots. The camera now supports 4K at 60 frames per second via a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, yielding sharper, more cinematic footage than before. Built-in propeller guards, advanced tracking, and intuitive controls, including palm takeoff and gesture support, make it not only powerful, but accessible. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, quick social media reels, or spontaneous vlogs, the Neo2 rises to the moment. Step up your aerial game and let your creativity soar. If you found this video helpful or exciting, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest DJI releases, tips, and drone comparisons. Your support helps us bring more in-depth reviews and real-world tests straight to you. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep flying safe and stay creative with the DJI Neo2. Let's talk about upcoming DJI Action 6.
A newly leaked image appears to showcase the rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 mounted on a motorbike handlebar. The Action camera is slightly blurred in the background, while the focus is on a small control unit attached near the throttle grip, displaying a screen with video 4K/25 frames per second. The setup hints at a refined remote control system for quick recording access while riding. The overall lighting suggests it was shot outdoors, possibly during golden hour, giving the equipment a professional and rugged appearance, ideal for adventure filming. This leak strongly implies DJI's next-gen action cam is nearing launch. Leaked promotional footage has revealed the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, showcasing what appears to be a major leap forward for the Osmo series. The star of the show is its rumored 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, with a variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture, promising sharper, more dynamic shots in any lighting condition. After months of speculation, the Osmo Action 6 finally surfaces following DJI's recent releases, the Osmo 360 and the compact Osmo Nano. Now, all eyes are on this next-gen action cam, expected to bring professional-grade imaging to a pocket-sized powerhouse. Leaker Igor Bogdanov has shared what seems to be DJI's first official promotional image, hinting that the Action 6 can record 4K video at 30 FPS for up to 2 hours on a 1950 mAh battery. The new teaser also suggests that DJI is preparing a global launch soon, alongside other exciting products like the DJI Neo2 and Osmo Mobile 8. With a rumored price of around $329, the Osmo Action 6 could redefine what compact adventure cameras are capable of, blending endurance, clarity, and cutting-edge design in one sleek package. Bright, sun-drenched scenes like beaches or snowy slopes, narrowing to f4.0 keeps your footage smooth and cinematic, without the hassle of ND filters. When the light fades, at sunset or in dim environments, opening to f2.0 brightens your shot and reduces noise, delivering crisp, clean visuals. It's the kind of flexibility that filmmakers and advanced users have been waiting for in a compact form. Design-wise, DJI has made thoughtful refinements. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a minimalist white square beside the Action logo. This subtle change isn't just cosmetic. The color temperature sensor, once hidden in the O of the Action logo, likely lives there now. The result is a sleeker, more cohesive front design. A tiny new dot next to the logo hints at a possible new component, perhaps an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness, or a discrete microphone hole. If it's the former, this would be DJI's first move to separate display brightness control from the main camera sensor. Overall, DJI's philosophy shines through. Evolution, not revolution. Every tweak feels deliberate, every detail refined. With its adjustable aperture, elegant design, and smarter sensors, the Osmo Action 6 signals DJI's intent to elevate the action camera game once again. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because DJI just shook the entire action cam market with a surprise price twist and a release window that's now nearly confirmed. Yes, the DJI Action 6 is officially happening. Multiple trusted sources have confirmed the leaks, and we already have real product images plus the core specs in hand. DJI isn't playing safe this year. They're going bold with a near 1-inch camera sensor, delivering a huge upgrade in low-light performance and dynamic range. Paired with a variable aperture, this thing is stepping into cinema territory, letting creators nail exposure and achieve deeper, more dramatic background blur. Battery life? DJI is rewriting the rules with a massive 4-hour runtime, a huge leap beyond anything GoPro or Insta360 currently offers. This is DJI's moment to dominate the flagship action space, and so far, they're winning. Now, here's the release twist. Earlier rumors pointed to October 24th to 28th for the launch event, but fresh info from a major accessories brand confirms the embargo lifts before November 10th, 2025, meaning the announcement is guaranteed before that date, with pre-orders going live instantly and units arriving on shelves mid-November 2025. Pricing is shockingly competitive. $329 base bundle, $429 extras bundle, and $479 to $579 adventure bundle. High-end features at a lower than expected price? Vloggers, travelers, and pro users just got a new favorite camera. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro.
Oh yeah, folks.
Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced Rocksteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right?